After you are finished using the unit, run the unit in clean water for 30 seconds. Temperature must be 70 degrees Celsius or over. Once the blended product has been sufficiently washed off the unit, switch off and remove the plug from the power source. Spray with detergent, wash and rinse. Detach the bell from the shaft by twisting in a clockwise motion. To remove the blade assembly, you will need these tools. Secure the blade with the flat plate. Ensure your hand is not touching the blade. Slot in the L-shaped tool on the coupling and turn anti-clockwise. Once loosened, the bell and blade assembly will detach into 3 pieces. Remove the foot seal from the shaft by pinching and rolling it down. Place all parts and the shaft of the unit in a rinse-free sanitizing solution. Leave for a minimum of 5 minutes. Please consult your chemical specialist for the appropriate sanitizer to use. Once removed from the solution, dry all parts thoroughly. Replace the foot seal and retighten the blade to the bell assembly using the same process in reverse. Reattach the bell to the shaft by twisting in an anti-clockwise motion and replace the unit onto the wall bracket, taking care to coil the power cord and store it like so. Refer to the cleaning and maintenance instructions for further information.